You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words that are homophones if you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is often confused and confusing. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as there. How to pronounce there, as in we're going there. This is the top word, as in we're going some places. There. The bottom word is there, as in their car is blue. There. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.